Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Have you ever wondered where some of our most amazing inventions come from? The GPS in your phone, the microwave in your kitchen. They all have a secret. They were born on the battlefield. Today we're doing a deep dive into some serious gear. We're talking about declassified military technology that you can actually buy on Amazon. This isn't just a list of gadgets. It's a look at how combat-grade innovation makes our everyday lives tougher, safer, and more convenient. So, get ready. We've got 10 incredible pieces of military gear that you can own in 2025. Let's start the countdown. Number 1. Adventure Medical Kits Quick Clot Gauze. Kicking off our list is a product that's all about saving lives, Quick Clot Gauze. This isn't your average bandage. Developed for military medics, it's a staple in every professional trauma kit. The secret ingredient is kaolin, a non-allergenic mineral that rapidly accelerates your body's natural clotting process. Customers say it stops bleeding faster than untreated gauze, and we're talking a matter of minutes, not hours. It's incredibly compact and flexible, making it easy to slip into a backpack, a car's first aid kit, or any emergency survival pack. It's a small piece of gear with life-saving potential. Number 2. Rothco Genuine GI. Watch cap. Next up, a classic piece of gear built for maximum durability, the Rothco Genuine GI. Watch cap. This isn't just a beanie. It's a 100% wool hat designed for the toughest, roughest users. It features a double-layer design that traps warmth, providing a great barrier against the cold. The knitted wool is surprisingly soft and comfortable, so you can wear it all day without any discomfort. Customers love that it looks like military spec gear and is perfect for cold weather runs or just keeping your head warm. One customer with a large noggin even said it's the best knit hat he's ever owned. Number 3. Military Tactical Work Boots. If you want to walk like a soldier, you need to wear their boots. These men's military tactical work boots are all about comfort, durability, and firm steps on any terrain. The oil and slip-resistant rubber outsole gives you maximum mobility on the ground, while the shock-absorbing memory foam insole keeps your feet comfortable all day. They're built strong with a combination of leather and nylon, and a protective toe cap keeps your feet safe on any adventure. The side zipper is a huge win for convenience. You can get in and out of them in seconds. Number 4. Waxed Canvas Military Style Duffel Bag. This waxed canvas duffel bag looks simple, but it's built tough with a government-issued GI military style. It's crafted from heavy-duty, water-resistant waxed canvas, which means it's incredibly durable and built to last. Customers love its utility, with one even mentioning it can carry a 5-pound sledgehammer. It's got a spacious main compartment, a double zipper for easy access, and a detachable shoulder strap for comfortable carrying. This bag is a great example of military durability adapted for everyday travel, the gym, or work. Number 5. Titan Survival Paracord 550. This is probably the coolest piece of gear on our list. The Titan Survivorcord is not your average paracord. It's patented military-grade cord, designed in collaboration with Special Forces in Afghanistan. This cord has a tensile strength of 620 pounds, but that's not the genius part. Inside the cord, there are 3 integrated survival strands, a clear fishing line, a metallic utility wire for snares or repairs, and a waterproof fire-starting jute fiber strand. You can literally start a fire in the pouring rain with this thing. It's truly a multi-purpose tool that's trusted by adventurers and military personnel worldwide. Number 6. Vortex Optics Solo R/T Monocular. A good piece of reconnaissance gear is essential, and this Vortex Solo R/T Monocular is a great example of that technology. It gives you a closer look when you need it most. This compact monocular has 8x magnification and a large focus wheel for a clear image. It features a tactical ranging reticle for accurate estimations, and it's both waterproof and fog-proof, so it works in any weather. With its integrated utility clip, you can attach it to a bag or a vest for quick, external access. It's a great piece of gear for hunting, hiking, or just getting a better view of the world around you. Number 7. The original Duck brand duct tape. You probably have this in your home right now, but did you know it has military origins? The original Duck brand duct tape was developed during World War II at the request of a soldier's mother who wanted a strong, waterproof tape to seal ammo boxes. It's been a civilian staple ever since. The strong adhesion and waterproof backing make it perfect for temporary repairs. Unlike other tapes, it tears easily by hand without curling, making quick fixes a breeze. This is a classic example of military innovation that stood the test of time. Number 8. Long-range walkie-talkies. Before the smartphone, there were walkie-talkies. Developed by Motorola for the U.S. Army in World War II, these devices revolutionized two-way communication on the battlefield. Today, you can get a modern version for less than the cost of a dinner out. These long-range walkie-talkies can communicate up to 3 miles in open areas. They're lightweight, drop-proof, and have a long-lasting battery. They're not just for tactical use. They're perfect for camping, construction sites, or just staying connected with friends on a long hike. Number 9. Loctite Super Glue Gel Control. Here's another everyday item that started as a military project. Loctite Super Glue was discovered by accident during a search for clear plastic gun sights during World War II. This isn't the runny, messy super glue you might remember. The gel formula means it has no drip or run, making it perfect for vertical applications. The side squeeze bottle gives you maximum control for pinpoint accuracy. It works on almost any surface and dries transparent in under a minute. It's a testament to how even the smallest military discoveries can solve our biggest problems. Number 10. Toshiba Countertop Microwave Oven. And finally, a product that's in almost every home. The microwave was invented by a defense contractor working on military radar technology during World War II. This Toshiba countertop microwave is a far cry from the original, with features like smart sensor technology that automatically adjusts cooking time based on food humidity. It has multiple preset menus and a mute mode to turn off the beeping. It's a powerful, modern appliance that started as a piece of high-tech military hardware. So there you have it, 10 pieces of declassified military gear that are changing the way we live in 2025. It's amazing to see how innovations designed for the battlefield have been adapted to make our everyday lives better, safer, and more convenient. Which one of these do you think is the coolest? Let me know in the comments below. If you liked this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.